What's up, guys? This is Crypto with James talking to you today about the options contracts. This is the final day of 2022, 21. What a shit year. So let's go through what's happening today. Before I do, as always, I update the spreadsheet. These are the first 26 coins I spoke about on the channel that I thought would absolutely smash it in the cycle. This was my first sort of run of a portfolio. As well, to be fair, had you invested $100 into each one when I released the videos and you're still holding all that crypto, you'd be in profit for over 64k. This is not reflective of what I hold anymore. In fact, if you want to see what I hold, you can check out Copy My Crypto. It's where I share my portfolio. My portfolio has been outperforming the market throughout the year. In the last, I don't know, 8 weeks, we've had some ridiculous wins. We've had an airdrop for people for several $100, an airdrop for people for several $1,000s. We've done an investment that 8x'd within a matter of like 6 weeks. We've had an investment that 4x'd pretty much from on launch that a number of the members got into. If you want to make these gains, and you all want to check out Copy My Crypto. Another one that we got, I made sure everyone was aware of the Icon airdrop, that 2-coin airdrop at a 1-to-1 ratio. That they're trying to get Kusama and Polkadot Parachain. If they land any of them, that could be massive for not only those tokens. I think it's Ice and Snow, but it could also be massive for Icon. Huge opportunity, and I know a lot of the subscribers are very happy about that. And again, you want to be a part of this and find out about these opportunities where these investments could go wild, and check out Copy My Crypto. All right. So market was flat when I woke up after about an hour and a half. We're seeing some rallying. Bitcoin's rallied. Generally, the market's done a little mini rally, which is positive. But the American markets are still closed. They're not open for another like 4.5 hours. So let's look at the reality. So we'll start with Forbes, their FUD centric article. Bitcoin is braced for a 6 billion earthquake as a crypto price crash hits Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP. Obviously, they've dropped in price this week, wiping over 200 billion in value from the combined markets. We saw that. Bitcoin price has fallen around 6% since Monday, dropping from around 52k per Bitcoin to under 46k before recovering slightly. Meanwhile, other cryptos have also moved lower, with XRP losing almost 20% of its value. Although they're ignoring the fact that, you know, most people bought up XRP to participate in the Sologenic airdrop, and then after the Sologenic airdrop was done, people got rid of it. So the same thing with Icon this week. But Forbes, you know, facts. You can't let facts get in the way of a good article. So it's thought the large Bitcoin options expiry could spark a bout of price volatility, with previous large expiries catching investor attention. An analyst flagging the expiry as a cause for concern among already nervous investors that could choose to either double down on risky bets or unwind their positions. Bitcoin price is currently down just over 30% from its November all-time high. Ethereum has fared less badly with a 20% drop from its peak. Other smaller cryptos have seen steeper declines, obviously. While the Bitcoin's overall trading volumes were consistent, a total of 129,800 options contracts, which value at just over $6 billion, are set to expire today, which is believed to be fueling overall wary sentiment for the market, says Adrian Kenny of Global Block. Now, this is absolutely the case, right? Bar, you know, the hyperbole in the article, this is the case, right? The options are expiring today. The massive expiry has a notional value of, technically, they're saying, well, Crypto Potato are saying $5.4 billion will occur on Deribit Exchange. The max pain price is 47k, even though it's hard to speculate about the effect of a massive expiry on the Bitcoin market. Open interest is not too bad comparatively. But in terms of technical analysis, obviously Bitcoin reached 69k on November 10th, dropped by about 30%. Currently, the Bitcoin price is below the 100-day moving average line. It is above the 200, only slightly, but it is. Further down, the 40 to 41k zone is the most robust area of support in this range. If Bitcoin drops below this level, this will result in a lower low, which is a bearish sign, and the way to 30k can be quick. The 4-hour, the price got rejected at the 200-day a number of times. It's battling between the 200-day effectively and the blue trend line, which is obviously on a downward trajectory. Now, in terms of options right now, obviously we have, $6 billion, let's round it, of contracts expiring today. That always causes price volatility. We are going to see, and this is the end of year, today is the end of month, end of year options expiries. So today could be volatile, but presuming there isn't, over the course of the entire day and weekend, a huge correction down below 40k, this market should be starting January in a really positive fashion. This is a shakeout of the yearlies, of the monthlies in terms of longs or shorts. I can't see the shorts being shaken out. I think that's fairly impossible. But the longs will be shaken out, and then you're starting 2022 next week, brand new, fresh, and clearing out all the deadwood of all the options bodes really well in terms of the potential for price appreciation to begin next month. It's interesting that the market has started rallying in the last couple of hours. I wouldn't expect that to continue. I'd expect more downward pressure for the market today. To be fair, after today, we'll be on Saturday and Sunday. Market could quite easily start recouping any losses that occur today. But I think realistically, with these options contracts, there is a lot of negative sentiment at the moment around the market. So we'll see how today plays out. There's multiple different articles, all, if you your Crypto Potato have also got an article saying New Year's green market as Bitcoin surges past 48k. That's literally from half an hour ago. I'm not getting ahead of myself at all. In this, I think it's nice to see that there's a run of green, but let's be honest, with today being what it is, this could be a lot of the bulls around the world pushing the market before the bears start kicking in, which notably clearly in America at the moment, because we've seen the dumps that start occurring from like 2:30 in UK time, which is about 9:30 in America. It's a good start to the day. It's definitely a good start to the day. Unless Bitcoin all of a sudden rallies up to like 50k, I'd expect these gains to be wiped out within the first couple of hours of the American markets being open. But it's a temporary situation. Like I said, presuming there isn't a correction below, like that's so dramatic and steep that Bitcoin drops below 40k, the market should be starting next week in a really positive light, and potentially even tomorrow in a really positive light. But we will see. It's set to be a very, very interesting day, guys. Anyway, that's it from me. Hope you're all keeping very, very well. If you're new to crypto, come check out Copy My Crypto. Like I've said, we've had some, like all year, the portfolio's been absolutely crushing it. But then on top of that, huge wins in the past 8 weeks. subscribers able to get in on massive airdrops like the one that's going to occur on Icon. You know, these are huge opportunities, particularly if any of these launch and they launch well and they end up on a parachain for Kusama or Polkadot. Real potential to make serious profit from no real investment because it's airdropped money. So you want to get these opportunities and make this bank. And come check out Copy My Crypto, guys. Anyway, take it easy and nearly Happy New Year. Bye bye.